Hi everyone, Amy Webb here. I'm in Aspen at the Aspen Ideas Festival. I've been here giving a speech on the futures of synthetic biology. And I wanted to share some really interesting new research that I heard with you. So this is today's big signal, a big signal that I think has the opportunity to shape our futures. And it has to do with photosynthesis and carbon capture. So there's some research happening at the Innovative Genomics Institute that's basically trying to use CRISPR to change plants so that their roots can sort of suck up and store CO2. It's a really interesting alternative to the other carbon capture programs that are in the works. What this does is enables all different types of plants to basically see CO2 as a feedstock, suck it up, and reduce it from the air and store it underground in a way that potentially, becomes fertilizer in a really great, safe, organic way. So I think this has the potential to shape in really good ways, in really positive ways, the ways in which that we deal with carbon capture, carbon emissions, and it also gives us some optionality in how we approach fertilizer. So anyhow, that's today's big signal, and I hope you think about it and it stimulates new thoughts.